5 daily habits that quietly fix prostate problems after 60. Few men know this. Most men don't realize this, but the prostate rarely fails suddenly. It quietly changes day after day, especially after you cross 60. And by the time the symptoms show up, the real damage has been building silently for years. Here's the part almost nobody talks about. It's not the big treatments, the pills, or the expensive supplements that make the biggest difference. It's the tiny daily habits, the ones men overlook, that quietly reduce inflammation, restore stronger flow, and support a healthier, calmer prostate. Before we continue, take a quick moment to hit the like button, comment where you're watching from, and subscribe so you never miss strategies that can protect you from unnecessary suffering. Now let's move forward. Today, you're going to discover 5 of these habits. Simple, painless, science-supported, and surprisingly effective for men over 60. And stay with me until the last one, because habit number 5 is the quiet repair mechanism almost no man has ever heard about, yet it may be the one your prostate needs the most. Most men assume prostate problems appear out of nowhere, but the truth is the complete opposite. These issues build slowly, often over decades. A little inflammation here, a little hormone imbalance there, and gradually the prostate becomes swollen, sensitive, and harder for the body to manage. It doesn't start with severe symptoms. It starts quietly. A slightly weaker stream. An extra trip to the bathroom at night. A bit of pressure or discomfort you shrug off. Before long, the bladder works harder, the flow gets slower, and nighttime urination becomes a constant interruption. None of this happens overnight. It's the result of years of silent inflammation, poor circulation in the pelvic area, and lifestyle habits men never question, habits that slowly wear down the prostate's natural balance. And I've seen this play out many times. Not long ago, a man in his early 60s came to me frustrated, waking up 3 to 4 times a night, struggling with weak flow, and feeling like something was slowly slipping out of his control. He didn't want to jump into pills or procedures. He just wanted to feel normal again. I shared these same 5 habits with him and told him to apply them consistently. No extreme changes. No complicated routines. Just simple, daily corrections. Within a few weeks, he told me something powerful. I feel like my body has finally calmed down. I'm not straining, I'm sleeping deeper, and I feel in control again. That experience reminded me of something important. For many men, you don't need pills first. You don't need procedures first. When you adjust a few daily habits, the prostate begins to relax, the flow improves, and the inflammation starts to settle. And that's exactly what we're moving into next, the simple corrections that make the biggest difference. Keeping it smooth, authoritative, and retention-focused. Godfather, Habit 1, Morning Anti-Inflammation Flush. Start your day by giving your body and prostate a gentle reset. A simple warm drink with anti-inflammatory nutrients like turmeric, ginger, or a splash of lemon can do wonders. These ingredients help reduce prostate swelling, calm inflammation, improve urinary flow, and lower oxidative stress that builds up over years. It quietly eases pressure on your prostate before your day even begins. Here's how to do it in under a minute. Pour a cup of warm water. Add a pinch of turmeric or a few slices of fresh ginger. Squeeze in half a lemon for extra support. Stir and drink slowly while your body is still in morning calm. Beyond prostate support, this simple habit also boosts heart health, strengthens immunity, improves digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, supports liver function, enhances mental clarity, reduces joint inflammation, aids weight management, improves circulation, and promotes better skin health. These benefits combine to make your entire body feel more energized and balanced, while quietly protecting your prostate. It's a small ritual with outsized effects. Most men start noticing subtle improvements in urinary flow and reduce nighttime trips within 1 to 2 weeks. More significant relief and energy improvements often appear after 3 to 4 weeks of consistent daily practice. However, certain habits can slow or block results. Skipping this routine, drinking coffee or alcohol excessively in the morning, eating heavily processed foods, or continuing chronic stress can all reduce its effectiveness. Consistency and mindful daily choices are key. This small daily ritual primes your prostate for better flow and sets the tone for the rest of the day. Habit 2 directly targets that annoying problem most men over 60 hate, waking up multiple times at night. Stick around, because the next habit will help you reclaim your sleep while supporting prostate health. Habit 2, the 10-minute pelvic flow reset. After giving your body a morning anti-inflammatory boost, the next step is activating the muscles that directly support your prostate. A simple pelvic floor activation combined with a light walk can strengthen urinary control and improve blood flow around the prostate. Here's how to do it in just 10 minutes. Stand or sit comfortably and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, gently contract your pelvic floor muscles, the ones you use to stop the flow of urine. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then release. Repeat 5 times. Follow this with a brisk 5 to 7 minute walk to increase circulation and bring oxygen-rich blood to the pelvic region. Doing this daily helps your bladder work more efficiently, reduces urgency, and supports stronger urinary control over time. Most men notice improvement in nighttime trips and overall flow within 2 to 3 weeks. More significant results, like stronger control and less pressure, often appear after 4 to 6 weeks of consistent practice. Certain habits can slow or block results. Skipping the routine, holding your breath incorrectly, overexerting yourself too soon, or remaining sedentary for the rest of the day can limit the benefits. Consistency, proper form, and gentle daily movement are key to making this habit work. This simple reset not only supports your prostate but also improves circulation and energy levels throughout the day. And here's something most men get wrong every day: what you eat and how you balance hormones during lunch. Before we dive into habit 3, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like so you don't miss any of the steps that quietly protect your prostate. Habit 3, the hidden hormone balancer at lunch. Many men don't realize that hormone balance is one of the quietest, most powerful ways to support prostate health. Adding healthy fats like olive oil, walnuts, or avocado to one meal each day can make a significant difference. Why it works. These fats help stabilize DHT, reduce inflammation, and support natural testosterone balance, which in turn protects the prostate and improves urinary flow. Recent studies show that men following a Mediterranean-style diet rich in healthy fats, olive oil, nuts, and vegetables had up to 18% lower risk of lethal prostate cancer and significantly better urinary flow rates, with up to a 10% reduction in disease progression compared to those eating standard Western diets. This is scientific evidence showing that diet matters for prostate health. Here's a simple way to implement it in under a minute. Drizzle a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil over your salad, mix a handful of walnuts into your lunch, or add slices of avocado to your meal. Just one small change can deliver a big impact over time. Most men notice subtle improvements in energy, mood, and urinary flow within 2 to 3 weeks. More noticeable hormonal balance and reduced discomfort often appear after 4 to 6 weeks of consistent practice. Certain habits can stop this from working. Using low-quality oils, heavily processed foods, skipping the habit, or pairing it with excessive sugar or refined carbs can reduce its effectiveness. Consistency and quality matter. This 1-minute lunch upgrade quietly supports hormone balance and prostate health, setting you up for a powerful evening recovery. Habit 4 focuses on an evening ritual that helps repair and relax your prostate while you sleep. Habit 4, the evening bladder unclog ritual. As the day winds down, your prostate and bladder need a gentle reset to reduce nighttime interruptions. A simple timing trick combined with magnesium-rich foods can make a big difference. Why it works: stopping fluids about 2 hours before bed reduces nighttime urine frequency, while magnesium-rich foods support muscle relaxation, ease pressure, and help your body unwind for deep, restorative sleep. Here's how to do it. Finish your last glass of water or beverage about 2 hours before bedtime. Include magnesium-rich foods in your evening meal or as a small snack, such as spinach, almonds, pumpkin seeds, or a small piece of dark chocolate. Take a few minutes to relax in a calm environment, breathe deeply, and allow your bladder and pelvic muscles to release tension. Most men notice fewer nighttime trips within 1 to 2 weeks. Full improvement in sleep quality and bladder control typically appears after 3 to 4 weeks of consistent practice. What can stop this from working? Drinking too much liquid right before bed, skipping magnesium-rich foods, consuming caffeine or alcohol in the evening, or staying stressed and tense can limit results. Consistency and mindful preparation are essential. I remember one patient, a man in his mid-60s, who came to me exhausted and frustrated. He was waking up 4 to 5 times every night, struggling to get even a few hours of uninterrupted sleep, and it was affecting his mood and energy during the day. We introduced this simple evening routine, and within 2 weeks he called me, almost in tears, saying, "Godfather, I slept through the night for the first time in years. I feel like myself again." That moment reminded me how powerful small, consistent habits can be. This evening ritual not only supports prostate function but also promotes better overall sleep and recovery. Habit 5 is the quiet repair mechanism almost no man over 60 has ever heard about, and it works while you sleep to restore your prostate naturally. Habit 5, the anti-inflammatory sleep window. Deep, restorative sleep is one of the most powerful tools your body has to repair the prostate. This final habit focuses on creating a simple bedtime routine that optimizes sleep and allows your body to quietly restore itself overnight. Why it works: the prostate repairs itself most effectively during deep sleep. Supporting uninterrupted, high-quality rest reduces inflammation, improves hormone balance, and enhances urinary control. Here's a simple 2-minute routine to implement. Lie down in a comfortable position, either on your back or side with a pillow supporting your knees. Take slow, deep breaths, inhaling for 4 counts and exhaling for 6, relaxing your entire body. Perform a gentle pelvic stretch by bringing your knees slightly toward your chest and holding for 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat once more. Focus your mind on calm, restorative thoughts while maintaining slow breathing. Most men notice improved sleep quality and less nighttime urgency within 1 to 2 weeks. Full restoration benefits, including reduced inflammation and better prostate comfort, typically appear after 3 to 4 weeks of consistent practice. What can stop this from working? Inconsistent sleep schedules, late night screen use, caffeine or alcohol before bed, or skipping this simple routine can reduce effectiveness. Consistency and a calm environment are key. When you combine all 5 of these habits, the morning anti-inflammatory flush, the pelvic flow reset, the lunch hormone balancer, the evening bladder ritual, and this sleep window, you create a full 24-hour repair cycle for your prostate. Each habit supports the next, quietly reducing inflammation, restoring flow, and balancing hormones while improving overall health and energy. If you're finding value in these habits, it's a good time to stay tuned and stay connected. When you subscribe, you won't miss the next step that completes this process and continue supporting your prostate health. Drop "I'm ready" in the comments if you're following these steps and taking control of your daily routine. Prostate problems don't have to control your life after 60. These 5 daily habits don't require special tools or complicated routines, just simple, consistent actions that your body responds to quietly over time. You can start today, and each small step will help reduce inflammation, improve flow, and support hormone balance without drastic changes or medications. In the next video, we'll reveal the top foods to eat, and the mistakes to avoid, that can further protect your prostate and enhance these results.